Alright, so guys, this is the third HTML tutorial on my channel, and in this video we are going to be looking at the HTML attributes. Now you might be asking, what the hell are attributes? Yeah, and you should ask that if you are a curious guy, if you are enthusiastic about this course. So basically, an element, when you talk about attributes of a person or attributes of anything, it means the behaviors and the properties of that particular object, right? So likewise, a tag in HTML should not have a fixed or a consistent design or an unchangeable property or behavior, right? It should be, we should be able to change it at least to some extent. So for that, HTML has provided us with attributes. Alright, so like for example, let's say we have a p tag, okay, and we have a text, sorry, hello world inside this p tag. When I open this up in Google Chrome, you will see that it's a normal standard paragraph tag, right? But for example, I want this paragraph tag out here to be aligned right in the center of the document. So what am I going to do? I'm going to be adding an attribute of align, and then I'm going to put an equal to and then two double quotes, and in between these two double quotes I'm going to be giving the attribute value. For example, align center. When I refresh this page, you can see that the p tag has just come to the center. There are many other things that you can imply to attributes. There are many other attributes that we are going to be learning along the way, alright, and many other tags which we are going to be learning along the way. So that was all for this video, because I just wanted to give a brief introduction about attributes. We'll see you in the next video.